Alright, welcome back. Let's talk about how to navigate between worksheets quickly. Most of the time, a workbook has one or two worksheets, but some workbooks have many worksheets, like this one. There are 12 worksheets, as you can see. One worksheet for each month. Take a look in the lower left corner and you will see two arrows. These arrows help us navigate between the worksheets, as you can see. But if you right-click on the panel, you will get a list of all worksheets. It looks like a table of contents. Now, it's super easy to select the worksheets we want. For example, select July. Press OK. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, slide over the arrows. Without clicking them, you will see a prompt. With Control and left or right arrow, I can go very quickly to the first or last sheet. And with right click, I can see all the sheets. As we already learned, I will press Ctrl plus right arrow and you will notice that the Excel showed me the last sheet, which is December. Now, while holding the Ctrl key, I will click the left arrow and Excel move to the first sheet, which is January. How quick and easy was that? Now notice the three vertical dots. Double click on this and I will see that it expands the view. Now I can see all the months at once. A faster way to move to the next worksheet or move back is by using the Ctrl plus page up or Ctrl plus page down key short. Let's try it. Ctrl and page down. Move back and Ctrl plus page up. Move to the next sheet now. To create a new worksheet, there are two ways that I prefer. Next to the last visible sheet, there is a circle with a plus in it. If you click on it, a new sheet appears. Excel created a new sheet next to the active sheet where we were, which was May. If you prefer to create a new sheet using a keyboard shortcut, you can press Shift plus F11. A new sheet is added to the left of sheet 1 appears. So, if you are the type of user who prefers to use the keyboard, then the second method is the one you want. Like most things in Excel, there are many ways to accomplish the same thing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.